Hello, I'm Nisha, and I'm someone who is really interested in watching birds and animals. And when I reached to this place in Everest region called Forche, I was so mesmerized and surprised to see all these endangered species like mox deer, Lophophorus in English, and in Nepali we call it Dafe, the National Bird of Nepal, the Himalayan thars, yaks. It is a must place to visit if you all are someone like me who is really interested in watching the animals. Yes, it is worth it.